everyone and welcome to a new vlog. Today's gonna be fairly simple. Sorry, sobrang kalat ng room. Takpan natin to para hindi nyo makita yung fats ko sa likod. So, this is just gonna be really simple. Ow! Okay, sobrang kalat ng walk-in closet ko because we're having some construction done dyan sa family room and sa bedroom ng parents ko. But anyway, these are products that I have shopped online for. Ayan, medyo marami-rami sila. And I saved them para I can show you in this haul. So if you're not a fan of hauls, it's okay. You can skip the video. But if you'd like to see the things that I got online, then please keep on watching. Please don't judge my pimple. Let's go one by one. Talagang marami dito hindi ko binuksan because I wanted to share it to you guys. This is, okay, our first purchase. This is from Lazada. So I think you saw this in my what's on my iPad video. This is a simple iPad pencil protector. It's cute because the cap is a different color from, wait, let me focus, The cap is a different color from the body. I don't think you can see it well enough dito sa video, but this is purple, a lilac color, and a very, very baby pink, super baby pink. So this was 200 pesos each. Okay naman, I've been using the other color for my iPad and it's been working very well. This naman, I'm so happy about. I built this myself! Yes, this is something that I'm going to put on my desk. This was about 300, 400 pesos. I'll link everything down below, so don't worry about that. So I had to assemble this myself. Ayan. And ang perfect because it came with a small gift. So this was free. And you can put your phone here kapag ka nag-aaral ka. And you need to look at the time, not your messages. Okay, so that's one. Wait, let's save that for later. Next is in a box. So let's open. Lazada, so far, lahat tong binili ko, guys. Woo! These are my spicy noodles. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng mga Korean goods and you don't want to go to the store, grabe, ang daming mahahanap on Lazada. Lahat ng mga Korean noodles ko ngayon sa Lazada ko lang binibili. So, of course, ito yung pinaka-mild sa lahat ng Samyang fire noodles, but it's still really spicy, but I like spicy. Next, ito naman, I was supposed to include this in my online school supplies haul, but sabi sa app ng Lazada, nag-arrive na daw, but it was actually never delivered. So I messaged the seller. I bought it again kasi I know naman it's not his fault. So this is a laptop stand, a gadget stand actually. You can put your laptop, your iPad, and you can just fold it and it fits right into your bag. Well, not like you're going anywhere, but it fits right into your bag. And the seller was so nice. He was so responsive. And then sabi niya, thank you for buying again, my friend. I will add a special gift. And he did. So ito yung usong-uso na iPad, iPhone, cell phone stand. So I haven't assembled it yet, but the seller was super nice. Halo-halo to, guys. Marami for the room. Things that'll make my room look better. So yeah. This was about 400 pesos on Lazada. Itong laptop stand. Next is neem oil. So recently, I've been getting into plants and I've been, you know, trying my best to keep them alive. And sabi online, maganda daw to spray some neem oil to keep the green color of the plants and to, you know, give them more nutrients. Please comment down below if you think neem oil is effective or you have like a good way that I can make sure that my plants stay alive. Because so far, hirap na hirap ako sa calathea and sa trio star. But my snake plants, my peperonia, okay sila. Like, they're surviving. And I think it's because mahirap patayin yung plants na to. But so far, happy naman sila sa akin. So, hopefully, marami pa akong mapasayang mga plants. Next, this is a humidifier. Kasi nga, plants like humidity. So, I bought this deer humidifier. Let's take it out. Ooh! Aww! And it lights up and it's a small humidifier. It looks like a deer and yung antlers niya ay rose gold. It's cute. This was about 500 pesos. So, simple lang and hopefully they help my plants survive. Also, I want to apologize for not being able to post videos this past week. If you didn't know, my sister is getting married this September, and I'm her maid of honor, so I've had so much to do for her wedding, and it's hard, you know, especially planning a wedding during this time. It's difficult. It's really difficult. So kudos to all the brides who have been able to really plan their dream wedding despite, you know, what's happening around the Philippines, around the world. But I will try my best to post more videos and to post more content. It's just really difficult. It's really busy, but I'm trying my best. Next is a dish, a jewelry dish. So I'm planning to put this beside my bed. It's really nice. It's ceramic. And it looks really classy. If your room is like my room, that's mostly just white, browns, and blues, I think this will be a good addition because it's just going to be a little pop of color, and I can put my often used jewelry or my ring here right beside me on my bed. So, on my bedside table lang. This was, I think, 400 pesos. Maganda yung quality niya. Next, I bought this rattan basket. This was mga 180 to 200 pesos. I bought this specifically so I have a place to put my reusable masks or masks in general that I haven't used. I will keep them here so that it's tidy, and when I go out of my room, I can just pick one and then I'm off to go. So it's nice. I just wish it was a little bigger and a little more flexible because medyo matigas siya. See? But it's nice. I like the color, and I'm sure you can find a lot of rattan baskets on Lazada. Next, we have these rose gold pen holders. Well, actually, these are basically just organizers. Rose gold organizers. They're nice, and they're very sturdy. See? I have 3 pen organizers on my desk right now, but I'd like to change them up a little bit para medyo mas girly and mas adult. This was about 100 plus each. I'll link everything down below so you'll be able to see them. Sobrang ganda. Ang cute, diba? Next, we have this. This is for a more comfortable online classes, work from home environment. Baka marami sa inyo nakakaalam na may problema po ako sa likod. So, madaling sumakit yung lower back ko and yung neck ko. So, I really need to make sure that I have a good seat and that I have proper cushion. This was actually purchased for me by Miguel. So, I believe this is about 687 pesos. I will look for a link to something like this, and hopefully it does help me. I'll update you pag nag-start na yung online classes, and sana makabili din kayo para mas comfortable ang online class, ang work from home experiences nating lahat. Now, I'm not sure what this is. Okay, ano nangyari? I know what this is na. This I also got from Lazada. I'm so excited! Marami sa inyo nagko-comment na sobrang saya ko daw magbukas ng packages or ng gifts. Guys, this is really how I am. The smallest things get me so excited and really happy. So, I hope it makes you happy too. These are my espresso cups. I recently got a espresso machine for my birthday, and these will be perfect. Aww. I got this nung 8/8 sale ba? Tama ba? May sale ba nung 8/8? Basta may Lazada sale nun. Tapos I think nabili ko ito ng mga 400 plus pesos lang. These are 6 Ocean Espresso cups. They're glass and they're good quality and they're really thick. Actually, it says here it has the perfect curve for the perfect shot, and it's extra thickness for lasting freshness of your coffee. So, to all the coffee lovers out there, if you'd like to make espresso shots in your own home, then I suggest you get some nice espresso cups. Next, I bought this from the same seller, I think, nung aking rose gold desk organizing thingies. This is a file rack or paper rack. A lot of you have been asking me saan ko nabili yung nakasabit sa desk ko. I actually got that from Target in the States. I brought it home when my room was being renovated, and I planned putting that on my desk. But I also want something for my school supplies cabinet. So everything will just be there, and yeah. So didikit ko lang dito, drill ko lang to, and I can put fresh bond paper or scratch paper for printing, and it'll look really nice because it's rose gold. I'll link this down below. Ay, kung lagay ko to sa cabinet, it's gonna be too long. Okay, I'm gonna have to rethink my life. Next! Ay, nako, this I'm super excited for. Kasi, when I was in quarantine in my room, I realized how I absolutely hate seeing anything on the floor. And as you see, my hair is really long and I have really bad hair fall. So sabi ko, okay, para mapadali ang buhay, bili tayo ng vacuum. So this was 1,567 pesos. I believe I got this from Shopee. This is the Dirma vacuum cleaner. So I'll post the link down below, and let's just open it up. So it can be handheld, or you can change it up and make it. Ano ba? Oh! It can be a stand. Yeah. So you can just put the other parts together and then you can vacuum the floor without much of a hassle. So yeah, this is 1,567 pesos. I have yet to try it, but I will let you guys know in the next vlogs if I like it. This is the Dirma Steel Filter. I'll put this together in a bit. And now we are down to my last purchase. It's in a really big box. Alam ko to. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. We love big packages. Diba? Parang pag birthday party, di mga pinaka-excite buksan. Na-excite ako! It's a... daming ano Pwede naman ang packaging. Dustpan! So, bumili ako ng dalawang dustpan. Hindi lang po para sa akin, pero pandagdag kay Ate Flor. This is 67 pesos each. So, talagang napaka-affordable. So, yan. Dikit nyo lang. Tapos, pwede na kayo magwalis all day, all night. Pero bawal na magwalis sa gabi dahil malas. Kung hindi kayo naniniwala, edi magwalis kayo sa gabi. And up next naman, we have packages that I got from some of our friends on Instagram. This is from Dear Skin. So, it is a skincare product. This is their revitalizing set. So, let's open it up. I really love packages na may pouches. Nice to keep things organized. So, this set comes with this revitalizing soap. It has glutathione, coconut oil, kernel oil, lye, CDEA, glycerin, propylene glycol, zeolic acid, glycolic acid, kojic acid, KAD, and fragrance. So, I have yet to try this out, but you can follow them on Instagram at Dear Skin PH. Meron din tayong revitalizing sunblock gel cream with SPF 30. And then we have this revitalizing night cream. It's in the same pack tube as this revitalizing sunblock gel. And then we have the revitalizing toner. So I will try this out, but this was from my friend Carla Valderrama. Thank you so much, Carla. And I know that this is very affordable, so check them out. And last but not the least, this was also a gift. This is from our friends from File Guys. So they saw the video that I did for the school supplies haul and I believe the law school starter pack, and they said they were so happy to know that I was such a fan of their products, and I really am. And so they sent me some of their new essentials, which I'd like to share with you guys. So if you open up this box, my sticker, and then we have this sanitizer holder. Perfect na perfect for panahon ngayon kasi syempre, kapraningan is the safest way to live right now. So you can just put your alcohol or your sanitizer. This is a spray though, so probably you need something that's liquid and that is not so viscous para ma-spray niya. And perfect because it has a keychain and you can place it on your bag, or if you're extra, you can place it on your belt. And next we have, this is a pocket wallet. Ay, ang bongga! So, ayan ang perfect din kasi syempre ngayon, you know, yung mga bags lang natin when we go out are super tiny. We don't want to bring so many things because the bigger your thing, the bigger the area for the virus to you know, hold on. Ay, ang cute! So there's a little slot. There's a little slot where you can put your coins. And when you open up, dyan yung coins nyo. Ang ganda. And then your cards. And then your cash. Your bills. Thank you so much, Filed. And here is something new. I've never tried this before. Yes, kalang pagkain. Their pen stasher. Since alam nyo naman, ako ay order ng pens at ng mga highlighters. Ay, ang ganda. Laki. Ayan. Oh my gosh, ang daming malalagay. That's just one zipper, and then there's a second zipper. There are 3 zippers. How big is this thing? Ah, the second zipper in the middle. It expands it. For people like me who can't, you know, make a decision as to which pens they really just need in their lives. And the second is where you can put your pencils or things that fit in those slots. Now, a surprise I have for all of you is that they actually sent me 2 boxes of the same set. So when we open this, you have your pen stasher, you have your hand sanitizer holder, and you have your pocket wallet. So surprise! I will be giving this to a lucky commenter down below. All you have to do is comment your favorite emoji and your Instagram handle, and make sure that you follow me on Instagram, because if you win, I will be giving you this whole set. So for this giveaway, we will only be having 1 winner of the complete set of this filed products. I'll choose the winner by September 12, and I will have it sent out to that person the day after. So thank you so much for watching this video. I know it was simple. It might not be everybody's cup of tea, but I personally love hauls and vlogs like this. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Oh my, paano ba to? Saan ka ba? Law student ka, girl. Ah! Oh, pwede, pwede. Masok ka! Okay, let's try this. Okay, guys. I love it. Good purchase. See you guys next time. Bye!